We're staying at the Fiesta Americana Condesa in Cancun. It's a non-smoking room. When you first come in, on your left, you have your closet. You have a ironing board and iron. And then you have your stand up at the top. You have an extra blanket up there. You have a little small safe. This is an all-inclusive resort. You have a little stand in here. You have a little small refrigerator. It is all-inclusive, but they give you some beer and some soda. They don't give you any bottled water. They give you this water, which I don't want. I actually want bottled water. And you also have a little coffee machine. This looks like an espresso. It's not, or whatever it's called. I forget the name of it. Here, when you come in, on your right, it's the door. So on your right, it's small. You have your shower with the overhead. How about the lights right here? So let's turn them on. Comes with, oh, we had this at somewhere else I stayed. This is part of Hilton. Got the overhead shower. It's a nice wide shower, not a bad size. Have your towels. Pulling it up, that's to the water. Turn the water off and on. Then you have your water closet, and then your sink. You have a little enclosed little area. It's not a door to it, but you have washcloths. Usually they don't give them to you in a lot of places, but I always bring my own stuff. So have this, have me, hi me, and that's it. You get a full-size mirror. It's a cute little mirror, place. You can put your luggage there if you want. That's where I'm gonna put mine. It's not a fancy room. It's an inexpensive trip that I took last minute. Got a king-size bed. Let's see what it feels like. It's okay. Got a TV, looks like maybe a 55 inch. You got your chest of drawers, then a little space down at the bottom. You have a little table over here, a little chair right here, and then that table, you got some bed lamps. It's cool in here. Then you have a very small balcony. You can go out on it. I have an ocean view, and I'm at the pool. So yeah, the water looks a little rough out there today, but it's cool. That's a little restaurant you can eat in. I think that's where I'm going, because I think that's where he said the seafood is. They're setting up out there. Where's my finger? Anyway, they're setting up out there with jewelry and stuff. I guess stuff they're gonna sell. So I might go out to the beach after I eat. There's a little play area too with slides and stuff right there for the kids. But that is all. That is all that I see. They have a nice sized pool. It goes from here all the way around over there in between the building, and then back behind this building. So they have a pretty nice size pool area. If you want to get in the pool, I don't see nobody in the pool. It's off season, really. Well, I won't say off season. Everybody will be here next week for Christmas. There's one person in the pool, but yeah, people sitting at the pool bar. You can see them sitting on the little benches. Can't ever get my finger in there. Oh, cause the camera on this side, not the other side. But anyway, right over there is the pool swim-up bar. So people are sitting over there. I can see them, and I see people in the water right there too. But anywho, that is it for my little room tour. Again, this is the Fiesta Americana Vacation Resort, and it's owned by Hilton. It's not fancy per my normal standards, but it was cheap. I had to flip y'all around. I wanted to get my status, platinum status for the year. I needed 1,200 more points to get it. So I took a little small 4-day trip so that I can get my platinum status on Delta, because girl loves her points. The girl loves her points. So this is it. Oh, I didn't show the top part of the building. The building looks decent. See the building? When you pull up, they had that little hut thing, that's the main office, and they selling timeshare, so it must be part of a timeshare. You can stay. I'm gonna go to the little timeshare meeting in the morning because a girl loves some free stuff, and it's 90 minutes, of course, and free breakfast, so it's decent. I mean, I wouldn't pay no whole lot of money to stay here, but it is decent. It's about to rain. Storm is rolling in. People are still out on the beach. I'm about to cut my tail on the road. There's storm right there, and it's thunder. Here, time to go. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope that you enjoyed the video of my little short vacation trip for the holidays. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.